2026 Volvo EX60 represents an important moment in Volvo transition toward a fully electric future, and it sits at the center of the brand's long-term strategy, rather than being a rushed or experimental product. Volvo has taken a cautious approach with the EX60 development, choosing to delay its arrival until the company could align software architecture, battery technology, and production scalability under a single platform philosophy. Unlike earlier electric models that were adapted from combustion platforms, the EX60 is expected to be built from the ground up as an electric vehicle, and that decision alone explains much of the extended development timeline. Volvo executives have repeatedly emphasized stability and long-term reliability over speed to market, and the EX60 reflects that mindset clearly. The global launch is expected to begin in late 2025 or early 2026, depending on region, with Europe and China likely receiving the vehicle first, followed by North America and selected Asian markets. Production is expected to take place at Volvo advanced EV-focused facilities, where battery sourcing and software validation are tightly controlled. This measured rollout suggests Volvo is prioritizing quality, consistency, and regulatory compliance, rather than headline-grabbing volume targets. Pricing expectations place the EX60 squarely in the premium midsize electric SUV segment, where it will compete against vehicles like the Tesla Model Y performance, Audi Q6, e-tron, and BMW iX3. In European markets, pricing is expected to begin around the mid-premium range, while North American pricing is likely to start higher due to specifications and taxation differences. Rather than positioning the EX60 as an affordable entry EV, Volvo appears to be targeting buyers who value long-term ownership, safety, technology, and restrained design over aggressive pricing. This makes the EX60 less about disruption and more about refinement. Volvo brand legacy plays a critical role in how the EX60 is being framed. For decades, Volvo has built its reputation around safety, durability, and understated engineering, and the EX60 is designed to carry those values into the electric era without abandoning them. While some competitors focus heavily on performance metrics, Volvo continues to prioritize predictable handling, structural integrity, and occupant protection. The EX60 is expected to include advanced passive and active safety systems integrated directly into the vehicle core software, rather than layered on afterward. The vehicle is expected to ride on Volvo next-generation SPA2 platform, which has already debuted in larger electric models, but will be optimized for midsize proportions in the EX60. This platform allows for improved battery packaging, better weight distribution, and more interior flexibility, while also supporting over-the-air updates and centralized computing. For real-world use, this means fewer mechanical complexities, more consistent software behavior, and potentially better long-term reliability compared to transitional platforms. Design-wise, the EX60 is expected to follow Volvo's current electric design language, which favors clean surfaces, strong proportions, and minimal ornamentation. The front end is likely to feature a closed grille design with Thor hammer lighting signatures adapted for a more compact footprint. From the side, the proportions are expected to be balanced rather than aggressive, with a long wheelbase, short overhangs, and a roofline focused on usability rather than sportiness. At the rear, Volvo is expected to retain its vertical lighting identity while simplifying surface details. In terms of size, the X60 will likely sit slightly larger than the outgoing XC60, but smaller than the X90, giving it a clear position in the lineup. Interior space is expected to benefit from the electric architecture, offering more legroom and cargo flexibility than combustion equivalents. This places the EX60 in direct competition with midsize electric SUVs that prioritize family usability, rather than coupe-like styling compromises. Powertrain options are expected to vary by market, with single-motor rear-wheel drive versions offered for efficiency-focused buyers, and dual-motor all-wheel drive versions targeting colder climates and higher performance expectations. Output figures are expected to be competitive rather than class-leading, with an emphasis on smooth power delivery rather than acceleration theatrics. Battery capacity is expected to support a real-world driving range suitable for daily commuting and long-distance travel, without pushing extremes that compromise longevity. Efficiency-focused variants are expected to play an important role, especially in European markets, where emissions regulations and taxation favor optimized consumption. Volvo is also expected to continue its focus on sustainable materials and reduced life cycle emissions, which aligns with tightening global regulations. In the broader Volvo lineup, The EX60 will likely become the core electric SUV offering, replacing the XC60 over time, and serving as the primary choice for buyers transitioning from combustion vehicles to electric ownership. It is designed for customers who want a familiar premium experience, without adopting experimental design or technology trends, rather than redefining what an electric SUV can be. The 2026 Volvo EX60 appears focused on doing the fundamentals correctly and consistently, which may ultimately be its strongest differentiator.